Welcome to the second video in our introductory series about the Maretha AI Nuxeo add-on. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool feature that allows users to ask natural language questions on large pieces of content. This is one of the most commonly asked for features when it comes to combining the power of large language models within Nuxeo. Let's take a look at this 556-page PDF that I've recently added. It's the AWS S3 Developer Guide. This could also be a long legal contract or a financial summary or insurance policy. It all works in the same way. First step is we open up the AI tab on this document at the top of the page. Here you see many options. All of them are configurable, which we demonstrate in another video in this series. The top option is what we're looking at today. This interaction has been configured within the administration area of our add-on, right in the UI, and it's made available to all documents of this type. So let's ask some questions we would typically ask or want to learn as we review this document to see how helpful this can be. First, I always like to start with a summary. All right, let's wait and see what the large language model comes back with. Now, what model you use is all configurable. For this specific interaction, I believe we are using Google's Gemini. All right, so here we've got a good summary of this document, and what I want to do is I want to save this interaction as metadata so someone can easily come back and view the summary in the future without having to re-ask the question. Let's try another question, something specific to the Glacier service. All right, so Vault is a commonly used term in AWS S3 Glacier. Let's see exactly what this says. So it looks at the context of the document, tells you exactly what a vault is in this context. Similar to a bucket, so makes it easy to understand. Now let's also ask it what an archive is. So in the context of this document, the large language model is going to come back and give us what an archive is. So it's very similar to an Amazon S3 object, base unit of storage, and Amazon S3 Glacier. This is perfect. So we know it's interacting with this document and answering questions based on the context. And I always like to ask this question. Okay, let's see if we can get some code examples. All right, it looks like it's generated some code examples from the document. So how to create a vault, how to upload an archive, how to download an archive. Basic actions is perfect for exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to save this as metadata so someone can come back to this and review this at a later time. All right, so this is chatting with the document. Let's see where it saved all this information. So I can go down to saved interactions, click here, and I can see the interaction that I ran, and I can see the saved response from Gemini. And I've got both of them here. So this is great. Not only does it allow me to ask questions to a document, provide the proper contextual answers, but it also allows me to save the data right on a Nuxeo document. Thank you for watching. This is one of the most asked features within our new Maretha AI Nuxeo add-on that's available now. We hope this video explains some of the power that large language models can add to your content management experience. Please reach out if you'd like to see a demo inside your Nuxeo environment or if you have other questions.